Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove a blank page in Microsoft Word. Okay, so if you are using Word and you want to remove blank page, here you will see there is two blank page in between the pages and add one in last. Okay, so I will show you both method how to delete in between if the blank page in between the pages or in the last. Okay, so here you will see you have to click here and select the whole page, select the whole page and backspace. Okay, so I'm going to select whole page here and then press backspace. Okay, then here you will see you have to do the same here also. Now I'm going to show you what to do if it is in the last. Okay, so you have to just select that and again backspace. So like this you can delete blank pages or remove blank page in Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this.